There appears to be no retreat from the ANC on the battle for the legacy of uMkhonto weSizwe, the now disbanded former military wing of the party. This as the ANC will seek leave to appeal the April 2024 judgment, which dismissed its application with costs against the newly formed MK party over the use of the uMkhonto weSizwe name and logo. The central question before the court will be whether the goodwill associated with uMkhonto weSizwe is associated with the ANC, and if the MK party is unduly appropriating it.
The African National Congress intends to appeal the judgment of the High Court of South Africa in Durban. The ANC will be appealing the matter to stop and prohibit the unlawful use of the ANC's trademark, symbols and heritage by Mr. Zuma's party, currently referring to itself as the uMkhonto weSizwe party.
The April 2024 judgment of the KZN High Court in Durban found that the assertion that the application was urgent ran counter to the ANC's delay. The court also found that the application lacking urgency would be the end of the matter, but found it prudent to deal with the merits of the case for the purposes of an appeal process if it was to be pursued. The High Court concluded that it lacked jurisdiction and the appropriate court would be the Electoral Court. On infringement in terms of the Trademarks Act, the court was not convinced that the use of the name and logo by the MK party would confuse or deceive voters. Mbalula previously explained that the appeal bid went beyond the elections and that the party would be appealing on numerous grounds, including trademark infringement, the principle of passing off, and political rights guaranteed in the Constitution, to name a few.
Future generations must know that this democracy stands on the shoulders of men and women who joined uMkhonto weSizwe, the spear of the nation, at the time when being associated with the ANC was virtually a death sentence. The ANC was and is to this day the heart and soul of uMkhonto weSizwe. We strongly believe an appeal is duly warranted.
The MK party will be opposing this latest bid, which runs the risk of stripping the MK party of its name and logo should the ANC be successful in its bid for interdictory relief. The hearing will proceed on Thursday. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.